In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create groups in Monday.com. Whether you're a new user or someone looking to enhance your project management skills, this simple guide will walk you through the process with clarity and ease. So, let's get started. First things first, open up Monday.com in your preferred browser. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the familiar layout of your workspace. This is your hub for all projects, making it essential to understand how to optimize it for better teamwork. Now, turning your attention to the left side of the screen, you'll see the main board where all your tasks are listed. What we're aiming to do here is add a new organizational entity called a group. This allows you to essentially categorize and cluster similar tasks, providing a streamlined workflow and improving productivity across the board. To start this process, navigate to the board where you'd like to create your new group. Find the drop-down button located above your list of tasks. This button is something of a hidden gem. It's a small arrow, easy to miss if you're not used to looking for it. Give it a click, and a list of options will appear. This drop-down is your gateway to adding new items, columns, and of course, groups. Next, scan through the options that have appeared and select New Group of Tasks. This action will prompt the system to generate a new section in your task list. A group within Monday.com serves as a categorical separator, which can help you differentiate between various phases of a project or even between projects themselves if needed. An important tip here: think carefully about how you name your group. It should clearly convey its purpose at a glance to anyone on your team. With your new group visible on the board, you now have a fresh slate to start organizing. You can drag existing tasks into this group or begin to create new ones that specifically fall within this categorization. The aesthetic change might seem subtle, but believe me, it packs a punch in terms of organization and task clarity. By creating these groups, you are setting up your team, or just yourself, for a more efficient working environment where task management is intuitive and in sync with your workflows. And there you have it. You've now successfully created a new group in Monday.com. Leveraging groups can transform your project management approach by offering cleaner structures and making tracking progress that much easier. Keep practicing to become more proficient in how you manage and organize your projects. Remember, staying organized is key to achieving success in any undertaking. Feel free to explore other features within Monday.com that can complement the use of groups and let your creativity guide your organizational style. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.